Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I am back with some Happy Mail, and this is an entry for my birthday challenge giveaway, as you can see here, and this special mail comes from Maria L. So thank you so much. I'm so happy seeing some new names and making new crafty friends here on YouTube. Thank you so much for your support. I just wanted to show you how beautifully she decorated this envelope. It says hello, there's some flowers there, and then look, there's some washi here that just got covered up, and I love that it has an animal little stamp here. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to open this up and let's see what Maria has sent me. I'm going to open it on this side. So if you are interested, you have until April 5th. And I'll put that link of that video with all the details at the end. Oh, let's pull it out. Oh my gosh, hold on. Oh. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness, okay. This is a beautiful ATC card. I love that air balloon. How adorable. It reminds me of Maggie Holmes. And I love this ladybug. That is so adorable. We have a little flat back here and this gold little, almost looks like a dandelion. And I love that she put a little flat back on the doorknob and it says happy day. How cute. Let me just check the information on the back. It says her name is Maria L. Birthday is May 2nd. Her favorite color is pink. She loves scrapbooking, sewing, and all sorts of paper crafts. But this is her first ATC card, and I love it. You did so good, very well. And Maria, let me know if you have a channel. Comment below so that we can link it and we can check out your crafty creations. This is so pretty. And she's also shared, looks like a little pocket here. How cute is that? I see a little mini envelope. And I love that she used, it looks like acetate. Let's pull out. How adorable are these bows? That is so cute. We have a ticket. I love that. These are so adorable. And she made me a mini envelope. I love the colors. And look at that cute bow. Oh, what's in here? A cute little card. And do you see that? That's a bird. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love it. This is gonna go definitely in my journal. And oh, she shared some really beautiful ephemera, a hummingbird. This is so pretty, and a beautiful tag with some eyelash trim and another beautiful sentiment here. This was similar to Lene's. Let me know if this is from Maggie Holmes. I think it looks really beautiful. And in addition, she's also added some of these sticker wax seals. Can you see it, guys? That is so pretty. I love the idea of this pocket. That is an awesome little piece there that you can add to Happy Mail. Super cool. Again, Maria, thank you so much for this beautiful entry. You did an amazing job with the ATC, and I love all the extra goodies that you shared with me. Again, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you again next time. Bye.